Hi icons, how are you? Today I am going to tell you a real story of my life. Yes, this story is all about being nervous of myself and how it cost me. I will tell you through a real story of my life. So, can I start that story? Okay. It was 2011 and probably I was in class 6 probably. So on that year there was an annual competition organized by our school and I participated there. The competition was extempore. Do you know, like you are given to a topic and you have to talk about for 5 or 6 minutes about that topic. Okay, luckily I got a known topic which is familiar, so I was so excited that I would talk about that topic and I would be the winner. I was so excited. So okay, I just was counting when my turns would arrive. So I was counting. Fine. And now at last my turn had come and I was ready to speak out. And you can't believe that. Yes, you can't believe that. I couldn't speak more than 3 lines of that topic. Though it was familiar with me, I knew the topic very well, but I couldn't speak more than 3 sentences. Yes, more than 3 sentences. How bad it was, and it was so embarrassing that I knew that topic but I couldn't speak more than 3 sentences. How it was possible? Do you know why? Why I couldn't speak more than 3 sentences about that known topic, about that familiar topic? Because of being nervous. And nervousness cost me so deeply that I do not want to remember. Yes, on that day I was so close. Yes, I was just so close to win that trophy because I knew that topic. I knew that topic very well. I could speak and I could express my voice about that topic very well to the judge, but it didn't happen. The only killer was being nervous or nervousness that killed me on that day and just restricted myself to win that trophy, the first prize. Probably I would win. Can you imagine that how dangerous being nervous can be? You can't believe that it was so close to win that trophy but I couldn't win because of being nervous. It was so embarrassing for me and I regret that if I could remove or could avoid being nervous or nervousness, then I would probably win that trophy. I'm damn sure, because I knew that topic, but see what was the result, what was the outcome. So stop being nervous. My request is to all of you that stop being nervous while speaking or when talking with someone or when talking about something. Please stop being nervous, because it cost me, that I already told you, that real story of my life. But here question arises that how to stop being nervous in front of the public or while talking, or how to overcome nervousness while talking or when speaking English, you can say. I will, what I realize and what I feel to remove all kind of nervousness, I am going to share you. Okay, some you can note down also some points, some general and effective points. That's why I have removed my nervousness while talking with my teachers or with friends or even with native speakers. You can watch all the camera videos and clapping videos, that how I at least overcome the nervousness, right? So how to overcome nervousness or how to stop being nervous while talking, I am going to give you some points that you can note down. So I think that those can help you to remove all kind of nervousness. So first point is know the topic very well. Yes, I agree that in an extempore, if you are lucky enough, then you can get the known topic, otherwise not. I know. But whatever you know the topic or whatever you know about that topic, just speak out those lines properly and confidently. Yes, you have to speak whatever you know, you have to speak with confidence, and this gonna make you extra mark, and this gonna make your speech strong. Yes, so speak confidently. Whatever you know, you can know little or you can know many more, but whatever you know, just speak out loudly and confidently, that you do not seem that you are nervous. Okay, mind that, because nervousness cost me very well in the past, in the year 2011. So I still remember and I can guide you properly. Next point you can note down, that is get organized properly. You have to remember or you have to memorize whatever you are going to talk about, that topic, or whatever you are going to say. Just memorize those words or those sentences to express properly, so that you can articulate those words or your thoughts to the judges. That's how you can remove your nervousness. It will take time, but gradually you can remove your nervousness while speaking English or while talking with someone. Third point that is really important, which is before talking about that topic, just inhale and exhale deeply at least 2 times. Okay, it will naturally boost your confidence. You can try it now. Please go ahead and select a topic and use this trick, like inhale and exhale 2 times with a relaxed mind, like a cool person. It will genuinely boost your confidence and it will really help you to talk about that topic confidently. Fourth one, focus on yourself. what you are going to talk about. Don't focus others or judges or audience. Focus only on yourself and think about what you are going to say about that topic. Then simultaneously express your thoughts slowly but steadily. And the last one is very important. That is, don't be afraid of having many pauses in your speech. Don't be afraid, and don't think too much that I can't go many more or that I can't go more. Don't think about that. Don't be afraid of having pauses between your sentences or speeches. Taking pause is common and is okay. It is accepted. But don't be afraid of that. Okay. So these tips, or you can say tricks, that I followed to remove my nervousness while talking with someone or while talking with native speakers and also while talking with my friends, I just shared with you so that you can at least remove your nervousness while talking. It will take time. You can't be like pro, or you can remove your nervousness overnight. It will take time. By a lot of practice, you can achieve your goal. Just like talk with your friends on different topic. It will remove your hesitation as well as nervousness while speaking with others or with strangers. And this practice on a daily basis will add a great value in the end. Just apply it to yourself. Okay, apply it. You have to take action. And if you want to know how to start speaking English, then you can check this video. And if you want to know how to avoid stuckness or how to avoid being stuck while speaking English, you can check this video. So I hope that this video would be really helpful for you guys so that you can remove all your nervousness. And believe me, you can be a good speaker in future. Just believe yourself. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indra, please. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up because it motivates me to upload up many videos. And see you soon in another helpful video. Till then, enjoy English learning.